Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azrun Azwa binti Muhammad Hasmimat, and today I'm going to present you a hobby-based website made in wix.com. First, we're going to click the edit site which is on the right side of the screen. Okay, this is my homepage. My homepage, which I do it from scratch, which is from plain section, and I only added pictures and vector art and also text. For the navigation bar, I use line hover, which will highlight all of the menus, and also I put animation on the navigation bar where it will fade it away if we scroll downwards. Okay, next for the next section, there will be two vector art that I put with text, and I linked both of them and also the arrows to their page. Next, we're going to go to the about page. For the first page, which is the about page, I only added title, pictures, some text. I also added some vector arts on the first section. On the second section, I only added two pictures and a set of 4 repeaters. I use repeaters for my journey of hobbies because I don't want it to be too crowded and I only wanted to keep it simple. For the next page is the Hobby Talk, which is a group I created for my users and my viewers so that they can join and communicate with each other. There are 2 groups that I created, which is the Song Suggestions and Karaoke Talk and Comic Talkie Talk. On this page, they can create a post or see, view, watch, and comment recent posts that posted by other members. For this Hobby Talk, I used Wix Blogger apps inside the wix.com that used by other bloggers to put in their website. The next one is the contact page. This page is basically done to be a little bit more formal than the group page. This page is where our users which have any inquiries or suggestions that they don't want to put in the group, they can contact us personally if there are any suggestions or improvement that should we do on our website. This is the page of my first hobby. For the first section, which is the welcome section, I changed the background into a picture. The first section is Song of the Day, where I will include YouTube videos and the summary of the song. The next section is Cover of the Month, where I will upload an original cover of me and a short overview of experience on what I did when I do the cover. The section is my current favorite songs with 3 links of YouTube. And the last section of singing page is the gallery. I use animated grid gallery for this page. Next is the comic section, the comic page. For the first section is all-time favorites. For this section, I use CMS so that I can compile and edit the data without having to edit one by one. This is what the CMS looks like. This is what I am doing for my comic. And I can even add a new view of the CMS so that I can insert the data in advance. When I want to publish, when I want to change it, I will not waste my time in adding it one by one before changing the comic view into a new view for the page. The next section is types of comics. For this one, I use repeated hover with hover. I use repeaters because I want to keep it standardized and uniform, both the containers and the pictures. For the gallery, I use slide deck gallery because it will slide by itself without having the users to click next. Before publishing, we need to save the changes, then click publish. Here, after publishing, click view site to view the final product. Here is the final product of my website. Click the arrow because I already linked it to singing pages. Now this is what it looks like. You got so gallery, we can click each photos because it can expand the photos so that we can see it more clearly. Next is the comic page. For the types of comics, I inserted a button which only appeared when we hover over the repeaters. If we click read more, it will directly bring us to a new page where it explains on the types of the comics. Okay, for the group page, on our footer, click the chat now button and it will directly bring us to the Hobby Talk page. Here, if you haven't joined our group, you will need to click the join group on the right side of the screen. Join, and it will directly bring us to the group page. Here, to create a post, click the create a post and insert what do you want to share with other users. And click publish. Then your recent post will be shown on the latest post of the group. Click back to go to the recent page, and then to view other groups, click the name of the group and you can view the discussions inside the group. We also can like and react to it with emojis. Lastly, if you can see the members chat button on the right side of the screen, and if you click it, it will pop out a small screen where you can text other spirits inside the Hobby Talk. That is all from me. Thank you.